I want to introduce Kathleen. She's been coming to our office getting some care, and she wants to share a few things with you.
Hi. As Dr. Parker said, my name's Kathleen. I've been coming here for a couple months, and my health issues started about 5 years ago when I hit menopause, and I had gone to 7 or 8 different types of doctors and alternative care, and I just couldn't seem to get to the real core of what was going on with me. I met Dr. Parker. Well, I was first introduced through an article in the newspaper, then I came over to Tampa and met Dr. Parker, and he suggested some tests that I had never even heard of before, and I was a little taken back at first, but I'm really, really grateful that I decided to go forward because the tests are different than any tests I'd ever had before, and they really got to the root of what was going on with me. And Dr. Parker is a very kind and generous doctor, and I really am grateful that I found him. I've been coming for a few months, and I definitely feel like I'm making progress. His assistant Nancy is great. She's really worked hard to accommodate my schedule, and I just would highly recommend Dr. Parker and his staff here, and I hope to see you here.
Thank you so much for sharing that with us, Kathleen. You're a pleasure to take care of.